Here I have ALCATEL Pop S3 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device by using the ALCATEL settings. So at the very beginning, let's tap on the list of all applications, then let's find and select the settings. So here I have settings, scroll down and right here you have to choose backup and reset. Let's choose factory data reset, read important information about this operation and tap reset phone. In order to erase all personal data, customize settings and install apps, let's choose erase everything right here. The device is performing the hard reset operation. Let's just wait a couple of seconds or even a few minutes until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running, let's just wait. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start simply activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.